Is your Windows PC acting a little strange, or do you feel it might be compromised? Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech expert to check. Because in this video, I will guide you through a few quick and simple steps to make sure your computer is safe. All explained in the easiest way possible. So let's get started. First, let's quickly scan your PC for threats. So right click on the Windows Start menu and select Run. Now in the Run dialog box, type MRT and press Enter. Now this will open the Microsoft Malicious Software Removal tool. Once it launches, click Next. Here you will be asked to choose a scan type. If you are short on time, choose Quick Scan. It checks the most common areas where malware usually hides. And if you want to check your entire PC, then choose Full Scan. This scans your entire system and may take a few hours, especially if you have noticed unusual behavior. But for now, select Quick Scan and then click on Next. It usually takes just a couple of minutes. If anything suspicious shows up, the tool will recommend running a full scan afterward. The good thing is, if threats are found, the tool will automatically remove them for you. Now as you can see the message, no malicious software has been detected on my PC. Next, let's make sure there are no suspicious user accounts on your system. So open the Run dialog again. And this time type netplwiz and then press Enter. This opens the user accounts window where you will see a list of all profiles on your computer. If you notice any account that you don't recognize, that's a red flag. Select that profile and click Remove to block unauthorized access immediately. Now let's check what applications are starting automatically with Windows. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Now in the left sidebar, select Startup Apps tab. Now click on the status column to sort the list by enabled apps. Take a careful look at the programs that are enabled. Now if you see something you don't recognize or something you didn't install yourself, right click it and choose Disable. This prevents it from running silently in the background whenever your computer starts, reducing both risk and unnecessary load on your PC. And that's it. By following these simple checks, you can keep your Windows PC much safer. So that's it for today. If you found this guide helpful, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.